Warm greetings to you, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mastex 2020 edition. This is a module which I'm preparing for 2021 students, but I think it can also be very helpful for those who are writing the examination this year, 2020. Okay. Mastex is mainly a taxation module where we will be unearthing different technical issues in tax law. So this is a program that we have initiated in order to assist students who are having some challenges in tax law and those possibly who are not having time to attend their lectures. So you can actually book your taxation lectures on time so that we can actually plan what you want to cover for a particular period of time. So I encourage you to book in advance, taking advantage of the number that is appearing on the screen, that is +263773536 So this module, the Mastex mainly is to cater for those who are doing their ACA tax law, Zimbabwean ACA tax, okay, and those who are actually doing taxation in different university using different program. Mainly it is Zimbabwean tax, okay. So I'll be covering Zimbabwean tax. There are other students in our consortium who are in a position also to assist you on different taxation modules depending on your country or your examination body. So that is my number, that is my contact. So I encourage you to use that number to book in advance so that we can plan. Remember, proper planning prevents poor performance. Okay, let's start. I think we can now start. This is Mastex class. This class number, I think I'm taking for 2021. This is the class number 6 that I'll be taking. So this is my flyer that I'll be using, and the flyer for the tertiary tutors. We've got different lecturers, different tutors that can be available for you in terms of tax, in terms of financial accounting, in terms of cost accounting, in terms of finance, corporate finance, in terms of dissertation. You can actually take advantage of the number that is appearing on the screen and our YouTube channel, where we'll be posting different videos that can also assist you to understand. Remember, let's take advantage of technology. We are in Africa, but we can actually take advantage of the technology that is actually available, and you can learn whatever time you want to learn wherever you are. We can use different platforms. We've got the Zoom platform. We can use our Google Classwork. I can post the material. The tutors can post their material, and you can actually post your questions, then we respond to that. So it's a matter of sacrificing. Remember, education is not that expensive as compared to ignorance. Ignorance is very expensive. So I'm encouraging you, sacrifice the little that you have, then you pass your degree programs, your master's program, then you proceed to whatever you want to achieve. Self-actualization, I think you understand it from Maslow's hierarchy of needs. So these are our services. Let's kickstart. These are some of the questions. This is not everything, but these are some of the questions that can be very technical, that can be challenging in your examination. So let me start with this question number 1. Right, Marcia is turning 65. I think, let me take my pen here. It can also help us on whatever we want to do. I hope I will find a pen here. Okay, highlighter pen. I want a ball pen. Okay. Marcia is turning 65. I think this is a very important date or important age in terms of contribution. 65. Okay, I think it makes sense. 65 years. When someone turns 65, what happens? Okay, I think you can actually. Okay, then is turning 65 way. When is this one? 30 November 2020. Dates and detail. You are an accountant, you must be precise, you must be very careful in terms of dates and detail. That date is also critical. And it was earning how much? This is a technical mistake there, but it was earning how much? $100 per month. Okay, this is per month. Be very careful as an accountant. $100 per month, it means this is actually beyond the $700, the maximum pensionable amount that we agreed on. Okay, so $900 should also ring a bell in your mind. Okay, how much is the allowable deduction? I think this is very popular if you are actually doing tax. Allowable deduction in terms of employment for NASA. Okay, in terms of employment for NASA contributions 2020 31 December tax year. This is a question that can also challenge your mind, but it's very simple. Someone who might say, 3%, this one is very correct, 3% very correct. We take what is correct there. Okay, then we are saying 900 is not correct. We cannot take 900. Why? The maximum pensionable amount is $700. So we are ruling out A and B. They are not correct in this case. Then we go on to take 11 months. Why? This one is actually turning 65 30 November, so there won't be any deduction in terms of December. So we are going to use the 11. Then this one becomes the correct what? Answer. Okay, let's move on to the other question. Jeff earns how much? $1,000. It makes sense. It must ring a bell again. Earns how much? USD $1,000 per month. How much is the maximum pensionable amount? That's something that should run in your head if you are talking of contributions. Okay, $1,000 per month, and is a registered. Okay, this is another important term. A registered member of what? Of NSSA since January 1, 2020, and has contributed how much? 7.5% to a pension fund. It's not just a pension fund. We are concerned about the registered pension funds. Okay, so when you are talking of registered pension funds, and this pension fund was registered when? It was registered on this date. So it means January, February, March, April, May. This last, 5 months, it was not registered. So we are going to concentrate with the 7 months. So how do we go about this one? We are going to calculate, and remember the question is saying what is the total? This is not only the NASA thing, right? What is the total allowable deduction? So let's do the maths here. Let me try to check my pen. Would it be efficient on this one? Let's start with the pension. Okay, pension, we're going to say 7.5%, 7.5%. Okay, we multiply this one by what? We multiply this one by the amount that is earning. That's $1,000. Okay, $1,000. Then we multiply this one by what? 7 months. Okay, this is 7 months. Okay, we multiply this one by 7 months. Or what happened? Okay, by 7 months. Okay, why 7 months? We are saying effective. We are saying we are using June, July, August, September, November, December. 7 months. Then we multiply the 3.5. Okay, we say 3.5%. Okay, 3.5. Forgive my pen. Maximum pensionable amount is how much? $700. We multiply by $700, and this was a period of how many months? It was a period of 12 months. Okay, what's happening to my pen? Okay, technology, a period of 12 months. Okay, and what is the correct answer in this case? We are going to say 7.5 multiplied by 1,000 times 7 months. Why are you saying 7 months? Is July, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Then we multiply this one, and then I think you can actually determine the correct answer from that. Okay, let's move on to the last question that we have here is Dombo. That's an assignment that I'm giving you. Dombo is an employee where at WG tertiary tutors, and he has 4 children. This is something that should ring a bell. 4 children who are also learning at WG tutors, right? And the 4 children do not pay what? Tuition. That's a technical thing. They do not pay tuition there. It has been ascertained that other students at HCC pay $1,000 per year, and students at WG pay $4,000 per year. So the question is, calculate the amount to be brought into Dombo. This is a technical problem here. Amount to be brought into Dombo's gross income in 2020. Okay, I want you to try and calculate this one. Remember, there are how many students, how many kids are allowed in terms of exemption. Okay, so you're supposed to calculate the total, then the exemption, and how many is it 4, is it 3, is it 1? Okay, this is an assignment that I want you to post so that we can continue to discuss. Okay, I'm encouraging you to book your lessons on time. Book your lesson today. We can use Zoom, we can use Google Meet, you can use post material on Google Class. I encourage you to contact me on time, please, so that I do not disappoint you. I want to offer you the right services for you to pass. Bye bye for now. I encourage you to subscribe to our channel to link. Bye bye.